Hello everyone, welcome to Elliottwave.com YouTube channel. This is Henry. Today is Wednesday, January 20th. The time is around 3 a.m. GMT. So for today, we are going to take a look at Ethereum. This is a 90 minutes chart from the cryptocurrency here. We can see that it has made a new all-time high. Okay, and we are now calling this rally as a wave 5 over here, right in the black degree over there, and that will be that will be in the primary degree, right? Wave 5 in the primary degree, and so now we are in progress within the wave 5, and we ended 105 here. This is 205, and then now we are still within 305, right? 305 in the primary degree. So as we have made a new high, a new all-time high, so any pullback now should continue to find support against this previous low here, January 11, 913, and any pullback should continue to find support in 3711 swing for more upside. Okay, so currently calling for this, you can see an extension here. So calling for possibly one more push higher to finish this 5 ways up from here, and then that will end with 1 of 3. Then we can get a pullback followed by more upside. Okay, followed by more upside. So overall, again, we don't like selling obviously or shorting, and we continue to like the long side in 3711 swing. So now let's take a look a little bit and zooming out to give a context where we are. Now remember, this is with 4 in the primary degree here. So let's take a look at the daily chart. So here, this is the wave 4 here, the one that we saw in the 1 hour chart on the daily time frame. That has to be a wave 3, right? If this is your wave 4 over here, then you know somewhere around here is wave 3. So then let's zoom out completely. Now you can see that Ethereum has, you know, crashed quite spectacularly since topping out here in January 15, right? And then it bottomed in December. Now since then, this is very impulsive, the move, right? The move is clearly impulsive here. Now take a look at the swing that started from March. This is the COVID-19 low. You got 1, 2, right? It's very obvious this is the swing. And then you got another bigger swing here, 3 and 4, right? So that means according to this count here, we are still within this big leg, which is a 3, with 3. It's very impulsive, very extended. So that means this has to be, this is also another swing here. This is a 1 and 2 here. This is 1 and 2 in a higher degree than the primary degree. So let's say this is the cycle degree 1 and 2. We're still only within the wave 3 here, which is about to end after this wave 5 is completed, right? So we made new high above 3 here. So then the question is, when are we going to end this wave 5? Can we so number one is, don't try to be smart and pick the top and then try to short sell or anything like that. You can keep extending higher, right, within the wave 5. Now who knows, it can even do a nest if this is extremely bullish, can even do a nest in which this is your connector here. So please do not attempt, right? I don't think it's a good idea. I mean, people might still try to do it, but I don't think it's a good idea. And here, right, in this count again, we're still calling it within this wave 5. I think one really sort of valid question that we might want to ask is there a possibility that wave 5 ended here? Because that will be sort of the risk, right? If wave 5 ends, then suddenly you're talking about this entire move here ending from March, and then you're gonna get, you know, like a big pullback, right? You're gonna get a big pullback to correct this entire 5 waves. But you don't want to pick the top, like I said, especially when it is so impulsive to the upside. And as of now, the way we count this, you can see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and then literally is 7 swing here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Now 7 swing is not a complete, it is not a motive sequence, right? 7 swing is not a motive sequence. If you have 7 swing, therefore is in our system, it is a corrective sequence, and since we know it is an impulsive sequence, a motive sequence, this cannot end here. So at least in the shorter cycle, we can say with a pretty good probability that this move up is not going to end yet, and therefore we should get more upside, right? We should get more upside before we can potentially try to look at the possibility it might have ended with 5 to the upside here. Okay, so for now it's very simple. In the shorter cycle, it's very simple, and so as long as the pullback stays above here 913, the pullback should continue to find support in 3 swing, right? 3, 7, 11, like we said, always finding support, finding buyers for the upside again. Okay, so that's the update here. Now of course it's very volatile, and we're going to continue to update and adjust. And if you do want to follow Ethereum or other cryptocurrencies Forex indices, do please try our service. We have 14 days free trial. The link is provided in the description. We currently also have a 30% promotion for the gold plan, and you can also find the link for the promotion in the description of the video. So I'll see you all again tomorrow, and have a nice day, everyone.